In the past 24 hours, most of the stations over Goa received moderate rainfall. The highest rainfall recorded was at Kanakona, which was 5 centimeters, and the second highest was at Kappam, which was 4 centimeters of rainfall. Panji recorded 31 mm, that is 3 centimeter of rainfall, and Marmagova reported 25 mm of rainfall. Now, regarding the 24 hours starting from 15th of July, that is today, IMD had already issued a orange colored warning, that is the warning for very heavy rainfall exceeding 12 centimeter in 24 hours. That orange colored warning had issued by IMD at least in 48 hours prior, indicating for the days of 15th of July as well as 16th of July. That means today and tomorrow there is probability of very heavy rainfall to occur. On 15th, that is on today, very heavy rainfall may occur at a few places, that is 3 or 4 places over both the district, and by tomorrow rainfall activity will slightly reduce, but still there is probability of very heavy rainfall on 16th as well. Now after that, rainfall intensity will gradually decrease. The increased activity of rainfall over Goa is basically because of two weather systems. First one is called an offshore trough, and second one is called a shear zone, which is running at over North Konkan region. So I just mentioned, the rainfall activity on 15, that is today, is going to continue for most part of the day. And as we had issued and we had informed public, we would request that areas which are vulnerable for localized flooding or which are probable with mudslides, etc., those regions should be under watch. People should be taking necessary precautions for that. And now regarding the cumulative total rainfall up to now, till now, starting from this monsoon, beginning of this monsoon season, Goa has received a total rainfall of 182 centimeters against a normal value of 140 centimeters. That means 30% extra rainfall Goa has received till now. And now regarding the fishermen warning, warning for fishermen is there for today and tomorrow as well. That is up to 16th. The warning is there for fishermen, requesting them not to venture into sea. Wind will be squally, weather will be squally, wind will be speed of 40 to 50 km per hour within 75 kilometers from the coast, and that will be there for Gujarat, Maharashtra and Goa coasts up to 16th, and the same weather will continue over Karnataka coast up to 17th and 18th. Now after that, warning is not there within 75 kilometers. The warnings are beyond 75 kilometers in East Central Arabian Sea. Once again, there is orange colored warning for Goa on 15th as well as 16th of July.